Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow till you find your dream. These timeless words from the film The Sound of Music remind us to persevere, explore, and reach for our aspirations. Whether it's conquering literal peaks, metaphorical challenges, the journey shapes us. The journey that started from Rosary School Miramar and found us graduating from it 30 years ago has shaped our lives today. In each of our memories, school days unfold like delicate origami flower we created in class by tearing a page from our rough books. Each fold represents a lesson learned, a friendship forged, and teacher who left an indelible mark on our hearts. As we turn the pages, we revisit assembly at Tyagi building, classes in Garcha building, Canning Center's jam aromas, and the secrets whispered during recess while chalk dust settled on our brown covered books. We celebrate the camaraderie that transcended our gangs and groups and the wisdom imparted by those who stood at the blackboard. To our teachers who patiently guided us through English, maths, history, and science, but mainly guided our innocent childhood, we owe a depth of gratitude. They were more than instructors, they were architects of our dreams. And to our friends, the ones who shared lunch boxes, shared ink from hero pens, and gave us sweets on our birthdays in school, this is a tribute to you. You each fill our world with laughter. You have wiped away tears and taught us that life's greatest lessons often unfolded in the spaces between classes. May this collection of memories transport you back to those recesses, those march past, those birthday songs, and the classes where innocence danced with curiosity and friendships were etched in desk and chair. Welcome to the Gallery of Nostalgia, where school days, friendships, and teachers forever reside. This is a tribute from the class of 1995. School bonding is always a special thing because we spend a considerable amount of our lifespan during the school days. This year we are completing 30 years and it makes it special. So the idea was to meet and to gather everyone and to make a grand reunion. But something special or something unique had to be done. So we decided to reunite everyone, and that too in our own classroom, the classroom of the Rosary High School.
Okay, so basically organizing a reunion was like a labor of love. It took us, I think, almost 1 month in literally organizing it. For that, we had an organizing committee of 3. One was Gopinath, me, and Yashwant.
The preparation started by connecting all the batchmates possible, and their response and their enthusiasm actually boosted us to go ahead.
Coming back to the preparation, of course, when you prepare for something which is this huge, is always a task. But it's a happy task because we're doing basically to get us back to memorize how our school was, and get to the memories of maybe 95 and pre-95. So, some were there since their first standards and all. So the best part, again, I would say, was Gopinath's idea of having a yearbook. And we wanted the best yearbook, so the best quality, yearbook, which had memories of the photographs back in, first standard and maybe nursery for some.
As we united, laughter filled the air, mingling with tears of joy, as we embraced each other, rekindling friendships that never truly faded. We were marveling at how far we have come, yet how little we have changed. The same spark in our eyes, the same passion in our hearts. We were sharing stories of triumph and tribulation, of love and loss, and the journeys that have made us wiser. And now the mission surprise farewell to the teacher has started. So with lots of arrangements for the past 1 month, the planning, then getting all together, the creating of the yearbook, and everything had to be tested on this day now. So our mission started. Gift from batch 94-95 to teacher Vinita.
कभी लड़े लड़े से थे, कभी अड़े अड़े से थे, कभी भीड़े भीड़े से थे, बस यूं ही जुड़ गए। थोड़े थोड़े से मीठे हैं, थोड़े थोड़े से खट्टे हैं, अब एक की थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं।
So as per the plan, one of the present teachers in the Rosary School brought teacher Vinita to the classroom, and we were eagerly waiting for this moment. And the moment she came in, it was a grand welcome, and I can't explain in words, but she was shocked. As some of our friends couldn't come on that day, we had arranged for online Google Meet link.
Hi, Jatin. Just give me a little your face. Lorraine, I know. Boys are looking so different. Oh, you're grown up like you. Adam, for me, I picture you on a small little. Wait, I'll tell you. You're a lawyer. Pallavi.
The case is settled now.
Ready? Yes. My God, I tell you, this is the best surprise of my life. I've never been surprised like this.
Very, very touched, huh? Thank you for coming. And how did you all decide this? Really? Gopinath! My goodness. Yeah? Fantastic. Gopinath, at least I meet Gopinath once in a while. And Mubindya I meet once in a while, but not you. You I remember so clearly. Huh? Yashwant, of course. My goodness. Yeah, I'm just... Gautam! My God, Gautam, so nice to see you. Fantastic, huh? I can't tell you how happy I am. Fantastic of you all to come. I thought some press conference. Somebody's taking a press conference. So I said, my gosh, let me see what's happening. You know, sometimes not very good publicity. So I thought that was happening.
You get an emotional heart
Yeah.
attack. We want you to sit. Okay, we the batch of 1994-95 welcome you in your own institution to give you a surprise farewell.
Absolute surprise.
First of all, please do take the attendance of the students present over here to start the class, which is right there. One more thing, teacher, as you take the attendance, please give them some time, as they may have to convey something or another to you, just as a present teacher.
I've met you a couple of times. Yeah, but I'm very fond of you. Yeah.
Yes, so we always remember you, ma'am. So, no one chemistry. I teach kindergarten and first standard. But then you've been our favorite teacher. Yes. But I'm so happy to see you. Denzel is not there.
It's
Completely. I'm never short of words, but today I'm just completely shocked. Janice came to us as a child of a teacher. And thank you for keeping in touch. Always. A 17th state rank I can never forget. Jai. Jai. Not your Lotlikar. My darling. I meet Lorraine very often.
And I met her when she became a lawyer. Naveen, I remember you so well. Naveen also was slim. Naveen has changed a lot, but the face is the same. Face is the same. Ramya came and met me last year with her daughter. She's in the 10th standard. She's come. Raymond! My naughty Raymond, but so affectionate, so affectionate.
Thank you, Deepa. Well, I had so much to say. But,
Short of words. Short of words.
18th of December 2010, my she got it.
I know what you're saying. But I know.
I'm speechless ever since 2011.
But I know his wife. I know his wife very well. I know his wife very well. And I hope to meet all of you in Goa some stage. His little boys are also as naughty as me. Reshma, yes, that Reshma, I remember you so clearly. Reshma was so very slim when you were very slim. And I still remember you with the scooty and the the boys at the back. So nice to see you, my God. Ritu, when she was in school, was Rizwana. And then Rizwana was my neighbor also. So we met them a lot.
My name also.
Rukshana. She's not Rukshana. Hi, Runa. How are you?
They're all
Sarvesh. Is he also? Where's Sarvesh?
No, Sarvesh is not right.
Sarvesh
Sarvesh
Pai?
is not right.
Sarvesh Pai? See, Sarvesh. Hey, Sarvesh. How are you? Shraddha. I can't forget your children. Names, surnames, I can't forget. Sneha. Where's Sneha? She's in Bangalore. Teresa, she must be busy in GSC. She must be busy in GSC. Vishwanath.
Yes, ma'am.
Kenchan. Gowda. Now what's his name?
I'm not Kenchan Gowda.
What's his name? Supsa. Vishwanath Supsa. Wendy. I remember Wendy and Wendy's whole family with the other Raymond. And their cousins. And Yeshwar.
Yes,
Very, very nice. Yeshwar.
actually one more. I want to talk about
My God, I can't believe, really, I'm completely shocked. Wow, that's beautiful.
Oh, about the yearbook now. We had created our first yearbook in this 1 month of event preparations. It was worth the pain taken by all of us to create this wonderful memento. This yearbook is dedicated to all the wonderful teachers who laid the foundation and guided us to become what we are today. Another reason to make it special is this year marks a significant milestone for us. 1. 30 years since we graduated as the 94-95 batch, and second, the 50th anniversary of the Rosary High School. What an incredible achievement for our alma mater. So in this yearbook, we have collected some nostalgic memories, that is a collection of rare photographs, some beautiful contributions from our batchmates, articles, paintings, poems, etc. And straight from the heart, warm wishes to dear teacher Vinita for a farewell.
Okay, before we go forward, we are going to now ask the Vinita to please cut a cake.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. As I said, in the earlier days, you all would have finished the cake up in 1 second.
The children never gave us bugs. We gave them bugs.
After all the gifts, cake cutting, and after meeting everyone, then it was time to meet our other teachers also, our ex-teachers.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा, मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे सारे सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शाम आना आज हमें है सजाना 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 सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू।
Two words, little words, little lovely words. So we'll start with teacher Vinita.
I just am speechless. Thank you so much, children. You all are the reason we are teachers. Really, the love we get from you all is nobody else gives us that affection that you all do. No, you all agree? The love that we get from you. We are really, really enjoy meeting all of you. Every time we meet you, it's a joy for us. Now they can see Runa, Shreya, Jatin, Sarvesh. How are you, Sarvesh? My God, what a surprise. Yes, Jatin, I know you keep in touch. I'm grateful for that always. Aditya Mahajan, how are you? My goodness. Sarvesh Pai. Sarvesh, for me, you all are still little children sitting in the class.
Okay, so we'll have teacher Sarita.
I'm getting this job and I need the money. She held on to my hand at Popatlal building staircase. And she said, Sarita, do you trust in me? I said, yes. I'm going to get the grant, my girl. Give me 1 year or 2 years, but I will get the grant. Do you believe that? I said, yes, I believe. Then please stay. And I'm so glad I stayed because I've completed 36 years in this school. Yeah. And I have really seen the school grow from small things to a little bigger housing, and 1 division to 2 divisions and 3 divisions. It has been a wonderful journey.
And I'm really speechless. I don't know what to say, but I joined in 92 where there were 2 divisions. And there were really so good children, and everything was good, and I have enjoyed everything till my retirement. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Children who are now adults and mothers and fathers, may you all be an inspiration to your children as you all grow old like me. Thank you. God bless you all.
I joined this school just almost just out of school, my school, around the age of 18, and went on to do my BA, graduate later, running from Rosary School to Dempe College for the afternoon classes. And I remember some of the few things that I very clearly remember. One is traveling with Bindia when she was small with all her brothers and sisters from the ferry point to school. Good old days at Tyagi's bungalow with Blossom and Blossom, Veronica and all those teachers. Our Christmas parties, going shopping to Harji's to make the small packets for our students. And those back then we had few students, so it was fun, and the teachers also were very close to each other. God bless you all.
I'm Christine. I don't think you'll recognize me because of my white hair. Okay, but y'all were my first batch. Joined as a counselor, I think 1993 or 94. But it's so nice to see y'all all. I remember Raymond and a few other girls look more or less the same. Okay, but I remember faces but not names. But thank you so much for giving us this joy of coming here. You took so much of trouble, and keep smiling, keep loving. That's all I would like.
In 1975, done Red Table, 5 children, and Mrs. Rosario was also my teacher where I was doing my training. So she decided that we'll open a school and that I would help her. And we had no classrooms. We were in a flat, Minelia, I don't know those girls? Mimosa and all, their flat. And I had some really lovely times with Mr. Rosario is like almost a father figure to me. Mr. Rosario, I lived with them for so many months because there was no transport, and that's where I know Rizu's mama. And we're all in the beach nest. And what I remember about this batch is Bindya and Ganesh giving me lifts after that because they used to drop me to the bus stand and nothing to Delmira job. And Bindya's mama was very close to us also. And Gopinath's mama. Where's Gopinath? Very close to us. So, and in those days, school was not only student teacher, but it was the parent and they were all the family. You won't believe it, but birthdays were celebrated of each student in the class as though it was a family. And our teachers' birthdays were celebrated even grander.
We thank from the bottom of our hearts to the principal, Teacher Alice. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. At the same time, we would love to cut a cake of Teacher Silva Elisa for assisting us in so many ways. Today is her birthday, so let's cut a cake. Please come.
Dear students, I think you all are students. Could I call you all students? Yes. There's nothing more rewarding for a teacher than to see her former pupils come back to say, you made a difference in my life, correct? So today it must be a very touching day for the ones who know you really closely. And from the bottom of my heart, I would just cry out, thank you, Lord, for making me a teacher.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear teacher. Happy birthday to you. For our lovely teachers, we have something for you. So first we will invite Teacher Alice.
I really am so emotional. I can't thank you enough. This is 33 years of love, and this is how we are rewarded every day with your love, children. Really, it's made us very happy. Thank you. Really. Thank you, Gopinath. Thank you. Thank you, my dear Gopinath. Really.
ये तो मुर्गियों के चूजे से संग एक दूजे के इधर उधर तितर बितर दौड़ते फिरे ये तो होली के रंग हैं अलग हैं पर संग लगे एक से
This 30-year school reunion is more than just a gathering. It's a celebration of a chapter in our lives that will forever be etched in our hearts. We are making new memories, reconnecting with old friends, and cherishing the moment, knowing that no matter where life takes us, a part of us will always remain in these hallowed halls.
And the best part of the reunion, I would say, was along with the farewell of one teacher, we had an additional around 10 other teachers who joined us.
I think our reunion was timed very well. The entire occasion was clubbed with 3 events. The first one, our school had completed 50th anniversary, and we had an opportunity to meet all our teachers, all our class teachers, and they could express their thoughts and emotions, and it was a very good experience. Second, we had an opportunity to give farewell to our beloved teacher, Teacher Vinita. And third, of course, was a reunion. All this happening almost after 3 decades. This was the really most awaited event in my life, I would say. And all the efforts which I had taken for this reunion really paid off after seeing the overwhelming response of the teachers.
Unfortunately, we didn't have the opportunity to celebrate each and every teacher's farewell, but it's a great honor to celebrate this event and gift this to Teacher Vinita. In this, we captured everything, we tried to capture at least, and hope all the teachers will take this as their farewell party too. So it's a special thing for us, and that too in our own classroom. We have celebrated this 30 years celebration, and also coincidentally with 50 years of our alma mater.